what's up? She's literally trying to catch a bird that caught in here. It's literally right there.
Don't do anything.
I didn't mean to scream.
And don't yell.
I didn't mean to do that.
Don't scream. Yeah, I'm not gonna get it. Stay back. Wait, where is he? Right there.
I'm scared. My feet hurt.
I feel like he's gonna ram into something hard, and he's gonna get hurt.
He looks like he's already hurt.
And then we're gonna have to keep him against the tire. That will help. True.
Grab him.
I had him. And then just grab it. Don't let it go.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna help you, Miguel.
No, hold the door. No, watch out. You go on that side. I'll grab him. If he comes, I'll grab him.
This is a
Oh
little.
my gosh, stay on that side. Oh crap, he's scared me. Here, you get on that side, I'll grab him.
Bella, hold the door for me. I have to get this on camera. I have to get this.
I'm gonna trap him on this side. Where's he? He's right here. Wait, Bella, watch out. No. Bella, watch out. Trap him behind in a corner. Trap him in a corner. Watch out, Bella. He can fly up. Stay right here. Go. Wait, let Bella try to get him though.
Let Bella try to get him. Just grab him by the. Bella, can you? Jaden, someone hold this.
Oh my gosh. Hey, let me try. No.
Here, who wants to hold the door?
Get on that side. Somebody get on that side. Yeah, I'll get underneath here.
This is literally happening. Oh gosh, I feel so bad right now.
You have to hold him with the full hand.
Well, on my next video, I'll tell you if we got the bird out or someone got really hurt. Bye.